Imagine looking up at the sky in the middle of the day, and suddenly everything goes dark. Not an eclipse, not a sunset, but total, absolute darkness swallowing the world in seconds. For the first 8 minutes, you wouldn't notice anything because light takes time to reach us. But then, the final rays of sunlight reach Earth, and the era of the sun ends forever. Within hours, temperatures begin to drop dramatically. Plants stop breathing, and the oceans begin to freeze from the top to the bottom, turning our blue planet into a cold, lonely, drifting rock in the darkness of space. And as the cold deepens, something else begins to disappear. The air itself feels heavier, colder. Every breath turns into mist, and then into silence. Cities, once full of life, become empty, frozen places with no sound except the echo of icy winds, as if the world itself is taking its final breath. And without the sun's gravity, Earth breaks free from its orbit, moving in a straight line toward the unknown. But the disaster doesn't stop there. As the sun's warmth disappears, the atmosphere begins to collapse. The sky itself turns into frost, falling like frozen blue particles over a dying world. Without this shield, meteorites begin to strike the Earth, silently, without burning away. Even space is no longer the same. Satellites collide, stations freeze, drifting endlessly with no direction, as if the universe itself is slowly falling apart. Our only hope is to go deep underground, where the Earth's core is the last remaining source of heat, the last chance for survival. There, humanity may build new cities beneath layers of endless ice, waiting for a cosmic miracle. And as time passes, it's not just the world that changes, but us. Humans learn to live without the sun, without the sky. But one thing can never be replaced: the feeling of sunlight touching your face, a warmth that may never return again. But the real question is this the end, or the beginning of the longest journey in human history? What do you think? Can humanity survive in a world without light?